Okay guys, I'm going to share the most recent addition here to Thousand Hills Farm. Here's a, I guess you'd almost call this an antique tool, but sometimes the old stuff works better than the new stuff. One of the things you'll see on the garden, we got a pretty large garden here, and in years past we've had a horrible time trying to keep the weeds out. It was too big for us. Spend all day weeding it and not make a lot of progress. Ran across this thing on eBay. It's called the Row Hoe. If you've got a decent sized garden, I would strongly suggest you pick one of these up. Look for them on eBay. I think someone still makes them back from the 1920s. It's basically two tools in one. You have a cultivator here, so these tines on the back you can kind of run through and cultivate. I don't really use that one. And then the bottom bar here is the weeder. Now what this weeder does, you'll see in a second, is it just slices off the weeds right at the ground level, and you can run up and down your rows real quick weeding. All right, here's how it works. So you just run right along there, and it just slices off those weeds. When you hit a rock, it might stop for a second, and you have to kind of move it, but it just slices them right out. So you can run up and down the row, and you've just done all your weeding on one row. Then you can come back around. I'm trying to make the rows about the width of this weeder. So you can see, it just cuts it right off. All these weeds, and then they just dry up on there, and saves yourself. You can weed a garden this size probably in about 15-20 minutes. So amazing tool. Good luck. Take care.